Welcome back to the School Failed Us channel, where I aim to bridge the gap between school and the real world.
This is part 2 in the video series on how to file taxes.
I really hope you enjoyed the first video and are eager to learn more. In the last video, we defined what taxes are, laid out common types, discussed how to get organized and choose the right filing status, and took a deep dive into income and deductions. In this video, we'll explore the various tax forms that you need to be aware of, filing options and deadlines, along with tips to ensure a smooth filing experience. Remember that it's crucial to understand this entire process to avoid costly mistakes, prevent missed opportunities, and ultimately maximize your returns. Let's start with navigating various tax forms and software. Understanding common tax forms and harnessing the power of tax software can streamline your tax filing experience.
Tax forms are the backbone of the tax filing process. Familiarizing yourself with these common forms can help you accurately report your income, deductions, and credits.
Here's an overview of some essential forms. Form 1040. This is the main individual income tax return form. It's used to report your income, deductions, credits, and calculate your tax liability or refund. Form W-2. If you're an employee, your employer provides you with this form, which reports your wages, tips, and withheld taxes. Form 1099. This series of forms is used to report various types of income, such as self-employment income, interest, dividends, and more. Schedule A. This form allows you to itemize deductions, such as medical expenses, mortgage interest, state and local taxes, and charitable contributions. Schedule C. If you're self-employed or a freelancer, this form is used to report your business income and expenses. Understanding the purpose and content of these forms will help you accurately report your financial information.
While paper forms can be intimidating, tax software offers a convenient and efficient alternative. There are many advantages of using tax software, including
streamlined process. Tax software guides you through the tax filing process step by step, ensuring you don't miss any crucial information. It asks relevant questions and automatically populates the necessary fields, making the process much smoother. Accurate calculations. Tax software performs calculations automatically, reducing the chances of mathematical errors. This helps ensure that your tax liability or refund is calculated accurately. Deduction and credit guidance. Tax software prompts you to enter relevant information for deductions and credits, ensuring you don't overlook any potential tax savings. It may also provide additional guidance on eligibility and requirements. E-filing and faster refunds. Most tax software allows you to electronically file your tax return, which expedites the processing time. This means faster refunds if you're eligible. Error detection. Tax software often includes error checking features that help identify potential mistakes or missing information, reducing the risk of an audit or penalty. Remember, not all tax situations are straightforward, and some may still require the assistance of a tax professional. However, for many individuals with relatively simple tax situations, tax software can be a valuable tool. Understanding the different methods of filing, utilizing online resources, and staying aware of important tax deadlines are key to a successful tax filing experience. When it comes to filing your taxes, you have two primary options: e-filing and paper filing. E-filing, or electronic filing, is the process of submitting your tax return online using tax software or through the IRS website. It offers several advantages, such as convenience, faster processing, and the ability to track your return. E-filing also reduces the chances of errors as the software performs automatic checks. Paper filing. Paper filing involves filling out physical tax forms and sending them by mail to the IRS. While it may be suitable for those who prefer a hands-on approach or have complex tax situations, it typically takes longer to process and may have a higher chance of errors due to manual calculations. Ultimately, the choice between e-filing and paper filing depends on your personal preference, tax situation, and comfort level with technology. Thanks to modern technology, numerous online resources are available to simplify the tax filing process. Here are a few worth exploring. IRS website. The official website of the Internal Revenue Service, irs.gov, provides a wealth of information, including downloadable tax forms, publications, and instructions. It also offers free e-filing options for eligible individuals. Tax software. Various tax software options, such as TurboTax, H&R Block, and TaxAct, provide user-friendly platforms to prepare and file your taxes electronically. These software programs often guide you through the process, help identify deductions and credits, and perform error checks. Free File Program. The IRS offers the Free File Program, which allows eligible individuals with a certain income level to access free tax preparation and e-filing software through participating companies. By leveraging these online resources, you can simplify the tax filing process and gain confidence in accurately preparing your return. When filing, it's always important to keep tax deadlines in mind.
I recommend marking these deadlines on your calendar to avoid penalties and ensure a smooth tax filing experience.
Here are some essential deadlines to keep in mind. Tax year. The tax year is the period for which you're filing your taxes. In most cases, it follows the calendar year, starting on January 1st and ending on December 31st. Tax day. The deadline for filing your federal income tax return is typically April 15th. However, if April 15th falls on a weekend or holiday, the deadline may be extended to the next business day. Extension deadline. If you need more time to file your taxes, you can request an extension. The extension deadline is usually October 15th. Remember that an extension only grants you additional time to file, not to pay any taxes owed. State deadlines. It's essential to be aware of the deadlines for filing state taxes, as they may differ from the federal deadline. Check with your state's tax authority or consult online resources for specific state filing deadlines. To avoid unnecessary stress, start gathering your documents early and aim to file your taxes well before the deadline. Remember, timely filing and payment can help you avoid penalties and interest. Now let's discuss some valuable tips for a smooth tax filing experience. By double-checking for errors, seeking professional help if needed, and saving and organizing records for future reference, you can ensure a stress-free and accurate tax filing process. One of the most crucial steps in tax filing is double-checking your return for errors.
Here's what you should consider.
Review your information. Take the time to review all the information you've entered, ensuring accuracy in names, social security numbers, and other personal details. Validate calculations. Double-check any calculations, especially if you're paper filing, to avoid mathematical errors that could affect your tax liability. Verify deductions and credits. Ensure that you've accurately claimed all eligible deductions and credits.
Review supporting documentation to substantiate your claims.
By meticulously reviewing your return, you reduce the risk of errors and potential issues with the IRS. While filing your taxes on your own can be a rewarding experience, there are instances when seeking professional help is highly beneficial.
Here's when you might consider it.
Complex tax situations. If your tax situation is complex due to factors such as self-employment income, investment gains, rental properties, or business deductions, consulting a tax professional can help ensure accuracy and optimize your tax benefits. Tax law changes. Tax laws are subject to frequent updates and revisions. If you're uncertain about recent changes or how they apply to your situation, a tax professional can provide guidance and help you navigate the complexities. Peace of mind. Sometimes, having a tax professional handle your return provides peace of mind. They can help alleviate stress, answer your questions, and represent you in case of an audit. Remember, investing in professional help can potentially save you money in the long run by ensuring that you're taking advantage of all available tax benefits.
My final tip for a smooth tax filing experience is to save and organize your records for future reference. Here's what you should consider.
Digital record keeping. Save electronic copies of important documents such as W-2s, 1099s, receipts, and bank statements. Consider using cloud storage or a dedicated folder on your computer to keep them secure and easily accessible. File organization. Establish a system to organize your physical and digital files.
Create folders for each tax year and categorize documents by type: income, deductions, credits.
This organization will help you retrieve information quickly and efficiently in case of an audit or when preparing future returns. Retention period. Be aware of the IRS's record retention guidelines. Generally, it's recommended to retain tax-related records for at least 3 to 7 years. Consult the IRS website or a tax professional for specific guidance based on your situation. By saving and organizing your records, you'll have the necessary documentation readily available if questions arise in the future.
And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on tax filing.
Let's recap the main points we covered in this two-part video series. Understanding the basics of taxes, different types of taxes, and key terms and concepts. Getting organized by gathering necessary documents and setting up a filing system. Choosing the right filing status and exploring the implications and benefits of each. Understanding income and deductions, identifying tax credits, and maximizing deductions. Navigating tax forms and software, utilizing online resources, and knowing important tax deadlines. Tips for a smooth tax filing experience, including double-checking for errors, seeking professional help if needed, and saving and organizing records for future reference. Now that you have a solid foundation of knowledge, I encourage you to start the tax filing process with confidence. Remember, it's a step-by-step journey, and you're equipped with the tools and understanding to navigate it successfully. Thank you for watching.
Stay tuned for more valuable content, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for updates on future videos.
I also welcome recommendations of other topics you'd like to see covered on this channel. Please provide in the comments section below.